In this part of the tutorial, we'll experiment a bit with the model structure. To keep things simple, let's start fresh and use the model we built in the introductory tutorial. Structures let us group parameters together. Since heroes and foes can be treated as a single type of character, we can merge them and reorganize the model. First, promote the weapon parameter to global and remove it from the function. Do the same for hero and foe. Let's keep location as a function parameter. It can stay right where it is. Next, create a name parameter with two abstract choices, hero and foe. Afterwards, adjust the weapon parameter by adding two abstract choices, ranged and melee. Now we can create a character parameter. Drag and drop name into it. You'll notice two options appear, link or move. Since we won't reuse the parameter anywhere else, move is the better choice here. After that, do the same with the weapon parameter. Structures can also contain logic, with one small caveat. They don't support assignments. We'll cover that in a later tutorial. For now, create a constraint stating that females can use daggers only. Then add another constraint saying that giants use melee weapons. These constraints will apply automatically in every place where the structure is linked. Global structures can be linked to functions just like regular global parameters. Let's link the character structure and create two function parameters, hero and foe. Note that we can still add logic at the function level. Create constraints saying that heroes have friendly names and foes are hostile creatures. Also, let's recreate the constraint that Peter always takes the easy way. When you're done, validate the generation results. As you can see, nothing unexpected happens here. Everything works exactly as intended.